When you're pretending to baby, like that. How's it going, Grabber? Hammer's so heavy. Hammer! Maybe touch it. Oh. So this is Tata. See, this going to fix this one because it's stubbing it.
Yeah.
And I want to show you our plants here. Look at this little snowflake.
What is this? What
And
I'm
let's go
doing?
back. She's
What I'm doing?
fixing the house for our rabbit because today we're gonna buy our rabbit. Mine's name is Fluffy. Rabbit's house. What the heck? How? Don't you break the phone, okay? Okay. And Rabbit.
I'm trying to eat this. What's this trying? I'm gonna cover this.
You do it with a hammer. Really, Crabber?
I like trying things.
So funny. And I want to show you the... Hey guys, it's morning now, so Papa's making a cage for our rabbit. Because click the subscribe button if you have a pet, okay? And Papa is fixing this.
Why?
And...
Because this is sabi.
That's why I'm going inside here.
Tingnan mo si Sam.
I'm a rabbit. Look, I'm a rabbit. I'm a rabbit. Give me my pet. So I can get up now.
Oh, push mo muna.
Okay. Look at our channel. This is Tata Road.
I didn't only call him. Okay.
What?
Mabasag yung pag pinagkot, kailangan butasan.
What happened? You don't have no butas.
Mabasag na ni yung
Oh. What happened when there have no door? Hello.
yeah, we will make door for our rabbit house.
Rabbit house.
Almost finished.
Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. Not. I said not you.
Almost
Not you, Sam. Shut the loud. And what Tata is doing with the door. She used that.
door.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a beautiful rabbit house. I never did see this rabbit house. They also have butas.
It looks like a giant building.
Yeah. Okay na, you can stop na.
Sam, give me a chair. Give me a chair. What's that? For the rabbit, like the ting ting ting.
Yeah.
It's outside.
Okay.
Where are you going? Oh
Stop
no!
na.
What? How are you?
Stop na. Stop.
Satan, I'm waiting.
Stop muna,
The
stop muna.
angels are waiting.
Stop mo na.
What?
Stop na.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Sam playing our rabbit. We already buy a rabbit. We already buy the we already buy the rabbit house. We go on the rabbit house. This is the boy. This is the boy. A little bit black in her ears. No, this is a girl. Me have a little black ears like that. So that girl's name is Fluffy. That's mine. And this is Rocky, the mine. Because Santa said she do like a boy. Can you see her? She have red eyes. See, guys? Also, she have a lot of poop behind, but she eating banana leaves or guys also eat banana skins like that. Guys, in your pitch eating a banana. So give it to the rabbit and banana skin. Okay, rabbit, which one to talk? No, I will say to Rocky. Hey, what you want? You want to? You're feeling like a cute girl. Feeling like a cute rabbit. Is this
Fluffy.
Sam? Is that Fluffy? Oh, what's that? Oh, here it goes. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. But as he said, I don't let him go out because this one's locked with the locker right here. Not a rabbit can get out. This is a tiny door, number 6 door.
But we have to get it out.
But how, Sam? You guys just can go with the poops? We're not but Nana's just sleeping. But how we wake up? Nana's just sleeping. You say Nana Grace. Okay, see Nana Grace wake up. Now we can tangle.
Oh, yeah.
You're so cute little rabbit, so cute little rabbit, so cute little rabbit. Cute little rabbit, come to mama, come to mama. You in the other countries too, you can buy rabbit, pet shop or pet shop and kinds of pet shops like that, guys. You can pick any color you want, guys. Okay, if you subscribe to our channel again, give you a flower give you a flower with a cake and anything that I bakes like that, guys. Subscribe to our channel with the rabbit. Rabbit is there.
Subscribe to the channel.
Sam, what daddy said?
He's still asleep.
Okay.
Subscribe to the channel. Yay.
Oh, that's not so sad because I hope not the rabbit talks, but
Okay, just say that.
what is she doing? Okay, let's go to the back. You know, this is a drink of the water in the night, but this full up really. Hey, God, it's got to me!
No, don't drink it, man.
Yeah.
Hey, Fluffy!
Hey.
Fluffy, don't drink that!
Oh, look, see? Hey!
Fluffy, don't drink that! Fluffy, don't drink that,
Okay,
guys.
come to the Fluffy, come to here, Fluffy. Okay, just bye-bye to our channel. Say bye-bye to the viewers.
Bye.
Bye, that's our channel. And the other day we can subscribe and then do rabbit time. Today, tomorrow is, we are going in I's house with the rabbit tomorrow.
Oh, we're going now.
Oh yeah. And then later we go to at his house. Later, not rabbits. Okay, guys.